Nestled in the heart of Greatwood is this one-story gem located at 7422 Greatwood Grove Drive. This elegantly appointed home is 2,414 square feet and features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a study. In the entryway, you are greeted by beautiful ceramic tile, which runs throughout the open living room and dining room and features stylish plantation shutters that are installed throughout the entire home. To the right of the entry is a study, which also could serve as a 4th bedroom. The study has French doors and beautiful wide-planked hardwood floors. The open kitchen, breakfast, and family room areas have the same gorgeous hardwood floors, and the kitchen has granite counters with decorative backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and a granite island. The owner's suite features hardwood floors, a tray ceiling with ceiling fan, bow windows, and dual closets, while the owner's bathroom has dual sinks, a jetted tub, and separate shower. The secondary bedrooms all have hardwood floors, plantation shutters, and ceiling fans with lights, and they share an updated full bath complete with a granite countertop. The beautifully landscaped backyard has an extended concrete patio, perfect for entertaining in backyard barbecues. With close proximity to the Greatwood Recreation Center pool and tennis courts, 7422 Greatwood Grove Drive allows you to experience everything that the Greatwood community has to offer.